For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to pin an app. Okay, and this to me has a weird name. It shouldn't really be called pin. You'd think of when you pin something, you put it up. This is how to lock an app, so only that app is accessible. So say for example, you want to show somebody an email, but you don't want them digging through your phone, looking at everything else. You only want them to look at that one app. So there's a way to do that, and it's called pinning an app. Like I said, not named correctly, but I don't work for Samsung, so it's called pinning an app. So let's dive in here, as I like to say, and let's show you real quickly how to do this. So let's go into settings and security and privacy. Then we're going to scroll down to more security settings. Then we're going to scroll down and check allow apps to be pinned. Okay, so now you're halfway there. You've got it set now that you can pin an app. So let's go into, I don't know, anything here, I guess. I'll go into, say, my phone. And you want to go into where you, I don't know what this is called, where you're ready to close the app. So let's go into this. So from the bottom up, go into the middle of the screen. So like if you're wanting to scroll through the different apps, or you want to remove close an app, there's an exact name for this and I can't think of it right now. But anyway, this is what you want to go into. And then at the very top where the phone is, or say settings, would be kind of irrelevant to do with settings, but say the phone, you want to tap on that, and then you want to pin to screen. Okay, so app is pinned. To unpin the app, swipe up and hold. So now when I hand my phone to someone, they can't go and do anything else except for what I'm swiping all over here. If you didn't notice, you can't even get to your control panel. So you can't do anything except for what you lock that app or pinned that app for. Okay, so pretty neat feature. And that's called recents now, by the way. It just hit me. So we go up. So for some odd reason, my recording stopped recording. So I must have hit something when I was doing the recents. So again, that's called recents when you do this. So the video is over. I went through all of it and rewatched it. So I don't know why it turned off, but it turned off right at the end. So anyway, I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.